Welcome to creating line charts in the Workbook editor. Let's begin. Let's start by selecting Visuals and Line Chart from the toolbar. As we do this, the line chart object will appear on the canvas. Using the anchors, we can expand its size and click and drag to reposition its location. Next, we'll navigate to the Object panel and the Data tab. Here, we can select a dimension and measure. When selecting a measure, we're presented with a range of common operations. For dimensions that are dates, a strato allows us to group the date with options such as month and year. Moving back to the measure, we have full customization options for the line color, style, shape, and point size, as well as measure formatting. For this example, we elect to add a second measure to transform the single line chart into a multiple line chart. Now, let's move to the Filter tab to filter the chart by year. Then, we'll head to the Style tab to adjust the look of the line area. Type and colors. And to show a legend. Last, we move to the Axis tab. Here, we have complete control over the display and colors of the titles, labels, ticks, and lines. Within the measure area, we have additional capabilities to add a default axis name and to adjust the range, such as the min and max of the axis. Finally, if desired, we can add grid lines to the chart. Thank you for watching. For more help, please visit help.astrato.io.